Oceania animal alphabet. A is for Azure Kingfisher. B is for Bilby. C is for Cassowary. D is for Dingo. E is for Emu. F is for Frilled Lizard. G is for Galah. H is for Humpback Whale. I is for Inland Taipan. J is for Jellyfish. K is for Koala. L is for Lorikeet. M is for Magpie. N is for Numbat. O is for olive python. P is for platypus. Q is for quokka. R is for red kangaroo. S is for sugar glider. T is for Tasmanian Devil. U is for Ulysses Butterfly. V is for Victoria Crown Pigeon. W is for Wombat. X is for Xmas Beetle. Y is for Yellow-eyed Penguin. Z is for Zebra Finch. Subscribe now to watch more videos like this one.